Welcome back to my channel, and just thought I'd try and finish a painting off that I started some time ago, and I've just had it propped up in the window, not sure where it was going to go. It was quite a misty day when I started this painting, and this is down on the land that I tell you about in my other videos, and this is the pond that we've got. But what I thought I'd do is I thought I'd just finish it off now, because it's been on my mind for some time and it's been propped up against the window over there, so I can look at it, just glance at it every so often and think, oh yes, I know what to do now. So this morning I was having breakfast, looking at it, and I thought, I know what I've got to do to finish it off. So what I've got to do this morning is just finish off. I want to put a couple more birds up there and then just warm this area here. I want to warm that up. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to get on with it now. Put that down and turn you around so you can see what I'm doing. If I can prop the camera in a way without knocking it over, also so you can see. Hopefully you can see that. Now I started this painting, I think I started it in gouache. I'm pretty sure it's gouache, but I actually want to finish it with the Caran d'Ache crayons that I bought recently. I've got a small tin of them, but I wanted the full range. I treated myself to this beautiful tin of Caran d'Ache Neo Colour 2 Aquella. So if I wanted to, I could, at some later date or even today if I wanted to, I could go into them and work some water into them and splash them around a bit, but I probably won't do that. I'm just going to actually use them quite neat. What I want to do is use complementary colours to all these lovely shades of pale blue and lilac, mauve and purples. First of all, I need to just get this one, which is Prussian blue. I just really want to put a couple more, but I don't know why, I just think it would look better if I put a couple more birds up here, flying in towards these two little blackbirds that's gazing at them, watching them flying around. So I'm just going to do that by literally just put a little bit of a mark. Don't have to put much detail in. I think it's better if you just put a couple of, like a W mark. That's what I do when I'm putting in birds in the distance flying by. So I think that's enough of them. Now what I want to do is bring some colour, some of the shades up here. I want to bring them down here to brighten this area up. Also, just hopefully it will work. Just adds a little bit of colour here in the water as well, so there's a nice reflection. I think that needs to go, the reflections of the grasses here, I think they need to come into the riverbank there, or rather the pond bank. Makes more sense to me. I just want to add a little bit more. It's quite random marks, to be honest. I won't press so hard in the middle distance, because otherwise it'll bring it too far forward. Just lightly like this. Like that. one down there. I've got these crayons in my hand, ready to go. This is the orange. I think it's cadmium orange, or just orange actually. I'm going to put some orange down here, if you can see that, against the mows. Just random grasses. Of course, they're going to be taller than the middle distance ones. I'm going to take them right up there like that. A little bit in the water as well. Reflections. And also little dots and dashes, which I just like to add those in. So already you've got a nice complementary colours going on here. Just want to make it, as I say, quite scribbly actually. I don't want to get too fussy about it. This is a yellow green, this one. That's going to go in. I like that colour. That's a nice complementary to the purple as well. So think about your complementaries if you're drawing and painting. I'm going to put some up there. So already it's brightened up this picture, I think, quite a lot. The beauty of these are they let me free up and I can get quite scribbly with them. Sometimes when you're painting you can get a little bit too precious about the whole thing and then it just looks too overdone, in my mind. But I just put a few little dashes here and there, squiggles. Make the water look like it's moving, so it's not still. Might do that with this lemony green as well. I need to stop in a minute because I think I might overdo it. Yeah. Okay, I think that's enough. A little bit there. Just a shadow of that orange up there. Maybe a touch of this yellowy green here. Reflection. There we are. I think that's done. I don't want to do any more to it. I hope you can see that. Actually, there is one other thing. This very light yellow. I just add a little bit of that. Going across, like grasses do. They just go, tall grasses, they tend to just do that, don't they? They go off in a different direction. Crisscrossy. Maybe a little bit there. A little bit there. There we are. So that's my painting finished. I'm not doing any more to it. And as I say, I started it in gouache and I finished it with the neon colour Aquella Carandash crayons. These ones, beautiful. Really happy with this set of crayons. I love them. Anyway, I hope that inspires you to pick a brush up, go out. These always are started outside when I'm looking at nature, and bring them home, finish them, or if I can work outdoors, I do. It's quite windy out there today actually, so I'll just finish it here for you to see. Thank you for watching my channel, and if you'd like to see any more of my little videos, please subscribe. It's totally free, and like, even comment if you want to make a comment about it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.